Mike. Mike, what are you doing with my picture? Mike! What are you doing with my picture? Answer me.
Since it's impossible for me to have you, I feel your picture is a consolation.
What? My picture? What do you take me for? And what the hell do you think you're doing? Now get up and follow. Get up! Get inside. Get into the car.
must rule the heart. It's truly from the heart.
Like you've changed.
I know. I cried. I cried for her love. She opened her doors to my heart. I love you.
Oh no. Myself.
You are too happy today. Have you found a treasure?
Maybe it's a treasure. I can feel it.
What can you feel?
It's Mike.
Which Mike?
Mike, Benny, Mike, my driver.
Listen.
He is the source of my happiness, okay? I'm so happy.
How?
Oh my God.
How?
I think I'm falling for him. Ah! Oh, please.
You must be out of your mind. How can you say such a thing?
Benny. Listen, I have fallen for him and that's it, okay? Ah! Leave me alone, I'm in love.
Juan, you need to see a psychiatrist. In fact, you have to go and see Dr. Asari tomorrow.
This is ridiculous. Oh, please. Listen, I don't need any doctors, okay? Let me be myself. For once, let me be in love. What's wrong with you? Oh, come on. Mike, come and listen to this poor girl. Yay. If you don't know, now you know. I'm in love. I'm so much in love. It's drawn here, can't you see it? Mike is dating Juan. Mike, Juan's driver? Yes, of course. Are you sure?
Wait. I mean, I can't believe this. I mean, how on earth can Mike date Juan?
Eh?
No, it's impossible.
Brother, believe it.
And yes, the old can I no credit. Ne map and quasia for I mean, so Juan was bragging for nothing? Oh, damn. Wait, Ah!
What are you people doing here?
Nothing, madam.
Don't you have work to do?
Come on. Get to work.
Look at that.
Hey!
Hey, damn! You've seen it for yourself.
That shall never end.
Hey! Jesus, my mistake. Now, I wasn't coming quite. My yummy home. Come on. Now say, Juan Wolf say. Wolf say na Juan one can't tell me. Yeah, radio.
Good morning, Dad.
Hello, Benedicta. You don't look happy this morning.
Yes, I am not happy. Well, Dad, I just came to tell you that I am not happy with Joanne.
Why?
I don't know if you're aware she's dating her driver.
What? Dating her driver? I'm not aware.
Against my advice, she fell for that gold digger who is only capitalizing on her vulnerability.
Oh no. She can't stoop so low. She must know that she is the daughter of King Brown.
I know you won't sanction this type of thing, but please talk to her since she has decided not to listen to me.
I will. I definitely will. Thank you very much, Benedicta.
Daddy, I don't see him like that anymore.
How do you see him? Joan, you can't stoop so low.
Yeah. Mike is a nice guy. He's better than all the guys I've gone out with put together, Dad.
Nice guy. Bullshit. How do you know?
Daddy, I just know.
Joan, you are disappointing me. How can you stoop so low?
Dad, how can you talk like that? Good morning, Dad.
Joan. You know, your happiness is paramount to me. And since you are bent on marrying the boy, I give you my blessing.
Dad. Oh, thank you very much.
No.
seem right. I mean, don't you think people will talk about you?
It's their own business. I don't care.
Juan, what has come over you?
Nothing has come over me, Benny. Listen, you don't know Mike. You only see him as a driver. Do you know that boy holds GCE level?
Juan. In fact, you surprised me.
Hey, listen, Benny. If you're truly my friend, you'll understand. All right, please.
Hello, dear.
Hi, girl.
How are you, Benny?
So, Mom, when are you coming back?
I won't be long, honey. Only 3 months.
Oh. And how am I supposed to leave you all alone?
Benny, Kwame will be home as soon as I get to the United States. Didn't he tell you when he called you?
No, but that would be great.
Please, call the seamstress and find out if he's finished my clothes, okay?
Okay.
Be a good girl. Take care of yourself. Take care of the house, okay?
I will, Mom.
I love you, Benny.
Me too.
Barbara, get me the X-ray.
Yes, doctor.
Mr. Brown, your daughter's condition is very critical. Her vertebral column, in other words, her spinal cord, was severely affected by the accident. The X-ray examination suggests that her ability to walk could be affected. But I will do everything possible medically to bring your daughter back to normal life.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Mr. Brown, there was further complications which I cannot explain. It's too technical. The accident affected her spine, which has paralyzed her lower limbs.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm afraid she cannot walk again for the rest of her life.
Jesus. Don't worry. Don't worry.
I can't take it, Daddy.
Don't worry. Don't worry. No. This is not the end of your life. No.
How could this happen to me, Dad?
Don't worry. Take it easy.
Crippled to be confined to the wheelchair, Dad. I can't take it.
This is not the end of your world. Don't worry.
I can't take it. Can't take it.
While there is life, there is hope.
Don't worry. This is not the end of the world. Take heart.
Thank you, doctor. Take it easy.
Now my whole world finally collapsed. No!
While there is life, there is hope.
Then I can't move my leg. I can't feel it.
It's alright, it's alright. Feel it. Cool it. Cool it. Don't worry.
I'm sorry. It's really tragic. Joanne, of all people, now a cripple and confined in a wheelchair. You see, it's all right. Don't cry. It's cool. We have to thank God you did not get married to her before this thing happened.
Ken,
We have to thank our God, you know?
we have to thank God.
And consider yourself lucky.
Thank God, Ken. My wife she's involved in an accident, and you tell me to thank God. Ken? Ken, what type of talk is this? Ken?
Easy. Your wife. You see, don't get me wrong. Don't you get me wrong. Don't. I was just saying that, you know, we're lucky you didn't get married to her officially.
Officially?
Before that happened.
That's not official. Crippled or not crippled, I love Joanne. I will go ahead and marry Joanne.
Like, you will what?
I love her.
You said you were what? You married that look, Mike, it is a wrong decision. It is a wrong decision you're about
Don't try to sway me. Don't try to sway me.
It's alright.
Joanne!
It's alright, Mike, it's alright. It's alright, just get up.
Joanne! I love you, Joanne.
Oh.
I love you, Joanne. Oh, God.
Why?
God, why?
You are creating sin here.
Joanne!
I'm sorry.
I love you, Joanne.
You
Juan?
you love her.
I love you, Juan.
Sorry. Sorry.